Let's talk about growing this gorgeous but very underrated flowering plant, balsam or impatiens. Their flowers comes in many colors like red, orange, pink, violet and white. But I have red, orange and pink colors in it. But what makes it more special in my garden is it's grown by my son from seeds without even me knowing about it. He just got seeds from his friend's place and he grew them in the garden, and this is how they are blooming beautifully in front garden. They are one of the easiest flowering plant to grow. You can grow them in full sunlight to partial shade as well, and the flowers produce seed pod after drying up. So these are the seed pods, and the seed pods have many tiny seeds inside it, and they are very delicate. They burst at the slightest touch, which makes this plant very invasive as the seeds are spread all over and they grow into many plants around. So these are the seeds of balsam or impatiens, which looks like mustard seeds. And as the name suggests, impatiens, you really don't need to have patience for growing them in your garden. So you just need some seeds of this plant, sow them or just sprinkle them in the garden or in the pots, and within 2 months they'll start blooming as well. All they need is 3 to 4 hours of sunlight and water. They are very easy to grow. Do engage your kids in growing this plant, and I would highly recommend this plant for beginners in gardening. So that's all for today guys. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.